How to download Google Chrome on laptop or your PC. So first of all, start by simply opening any web browser that you have installed on your PC. Search for example else and tap on open window right there. Now simply search for the application that you are downloading, in this case Google Chrome. Search for Chrome download. Then scroll it down and tap on the Google Chrome over here. Now this is the official website. Now in order to download, simply tap on the download Chrome button right over here. This is a blue button, and if you tap on this, it will be downloaded. Now this is for the version Windows 11 and 1064-bit, and you can find the interface, how it looks right over there. To download, simply tap on download over here. Now as you can see, the setup has been started downloading. Now this is the steps. For the download will appear over here. Now after that, simply you need to tap on this and it will install. Now you need to wait for the installation to finish. Chrome will open automatically when it's done. So now simply go to your downloads and tap on right over here, open file, and tap on yes. In my device it is already installed, so it won't install again. So that's why you just have to simply tap on yes icon right over here. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel.